Hello there, you're still here on MX24. Time to update you in the world of sports. Now, in our very first story, the Ghana Football Association has confirmed the 2020-21 Ghana Premier League season will kickstart from Friday, November 13th, while the Division 1 League kicks off on December 3. Now, the Women's Premier League is set to kick off on January 2, 2021, and football has been on suspension since March 16 due to the coronavirus pandemic, leading to the cancellation of the 2019-2020 season. The international friendly between the Black Stars of Ghana and Equatorial Guinea has been called off. Now, Ghana was scheduled to play the Central Africans next month in one of two friendlies lineup for the team in next month's FIFA international window, except for European countries. Now, the Equatorial Guinean Football Association informed the FA of the latest decision late Thursday, citing new travel restrictions imposed on their country. Equatorial Guinea's borders are closed and flights are suspended due to new COVID-19 rules in the country. And away from the local scene, Liverpool cruised into the fourth round of the Carabao Cup as a ruthless display of finishing and a 7-2 victory over Lincoln on Thursday. Now, the Reds' victory means that they will host Arsenal twice in a week, but the two clubs already scheduled to meet each other on Monday night in the English Premier League. Well, Liverpool are through to the next round of the Carabao Cup, and as I mentioned earlier, they are up against Arsenal on Monday in an English Premier League game, and also they've set up a next round tie with the same team, Arsenal. Well, we'll still stay with the Carabao Cup, and Liam Delap scored a debut stunner, but holders Manchester City needed a late folding winner to see off Championship side Bournemouth 2-1 in the Championship. Manchester City, they've won it 3 consecutive times. We'll see if this season they'll be able to do it for a 4th time. But last night was the final of the UEFA Super Cup, and just to give you an idea of the UEFA Super Cup, well, it is a match played between champions of the UEFA Champions League and also champions of the UEFA Europa League. And if that's anything to go by, last season, you know, it was Bayern Munich that won the UEFA Champions League, and Sevilla won the UEFA Super Cup, and by virtue of that, the two teams met last night in the UEFA Super Cup. And of course, it was Sevilla that scored the first goal, and it was Ocampos who converted from the spot, after which Goretzka equalized, and Martinez was the hero for Bayern Munich as he scored in extra time to give the German champions another title. So 4 titles this season for Bayern Munich, the Bundesliga, the DFB Pokal, the UEFA Champions League, and now the UEFA Super Cup. Well, so we have to do some NBA, and of course, the Los Angeles Lakers moved to within 1 win of the NBA Finals with a 114-108 victory over the Denver Nuggets in Game 4 of the Western Conference Finals in Orlando. Now, Anthony Davis scored a game-high 34 points, while LeBron James added 26 plus 9 rebounds and 8 assists. And it's really getting interesting in the NBA. We'll follow it and update you in our subsequent sports bulletins. But it's a Friday, and of course, you know, tomorrow is Saturday. And every Saturday morning on this same platform at exactly 8 a.m., we come your way with Playmakers. So do join me tomorrow at exactly 8 a.m. as we bring you Playmakers. We look at all these sporting activities with specific attention on football. And of course, it's all about the English Premier League, the Italian Serie A, the German Bundesliga, the La Liga. Barcelona will play their first game. Luis Suarez is gone. We look at the analysis and how it's going to affect Barca and how his inclusion in the Atletico Madrid team is going to help them. We also have some trending issues here on the local scene to do with the Black Stars friendly, and all that will be here on Playmakers at exactly 8 a.m. Until then, my name is Benedict Usu. Take care of yourself.